Dan Brown's 2003 novel, The Da Vinci Code, has captivated readers worldwide with its blend of historical intrigue, religious controversy, and thrilling mystery. The novel's success can be attributed to its compelling narrative, intricate plot, and the way it intertwines historical and fictional elements. This analysis delves into the novel's key themes, characters, and the cultural and religious debates it has sparked. Plot summary. The Da Vinci Code follows Robert Langdon, a Harvard symbologist, and Sophie Neveu, a French cryptologist, as they unravel a series of clues related to a murder at the Louvre Museum. The victim, Jacques Saunière, leaves behind a series of cryptic messages that Langdon and Neveu decipher, leading them to a hidden truth about the Holy Grail and the secrets of the Priory of Sion. The novel's central premise revolves around the idea that Mary Magdalene was married to Jesus Christ and that their descendants have lived in secrecy for centuries. This controversial thesis challenges traditional Christian beliefs and has been a focal point of the novel's discussions and debates. Themes and symbolism. 1. Religious controversy. One of the most provocative themes of The Da Vinci Code is its challenge to established religious narratives. The novel proposes that the Catholic Church has suppressed historical truths about Jesus and Mary Magdalene. By suggesting that the Holy Grail is not a physical cup but rather a symbol of Mary Magdalene's bloodline, Brown creates a narrative that questions the authenticity of Christian doctrines. This theme explores the conflict between historical fact and religious faith, prompting readers to reconsider accepted beliefs. 2. The search for truth. The quest for truth is central to the novel. Plot. Langdon and Neveu's journey is driven by their pursuit of hidden knowledge and understanding. Their search for the Holy Grail is symbolic of a deeper quest for truth and enlightenment. The novel suggests that truth is often obscured by layers of deception and historical manipulation. 3. Symbolism and codes. Brown employs a rich tapestry of symbols and codes, which are essential to the novel's mystery. The use of religious and historical symbols, such as the Fibonacci sequence, Leonardo da Vinci's artwork, and sacred geometry, adds depth to the narrative. These elements serve not only as plot devices but also as reflections of the novel's broader themes of hidden knowledge and the power of symbols. Characters. 1. Robert Langdon. Langdon, the protagonist, is a Harvard professor specializing in symbology. His intellectual prowess and calm demeanor make him an effective investigator. Langdon's character is designed to be relatable to readers, serving as a guide through the complex web of symbols and historical references. 2. Sophie Neveu. Neveu, a French cryptologist and Saunière's granddaughter, is a key figure in the narrative. Her personal connection to the mystery adds emotional depth to the story. Neveu's skills in cryptography and her determination to uncover the truth make her a strong and capable partner for Langdon. 3. Opus Dei. The novel's antagonist, Silas, is a member of Opus Dei, a real Catholic organization known for its conservative views. Silas's character embodies the conflict between religious zealotry and rational inquiry. The portrayal of Opus Dei in the novel has been a point of contention, with some critics accusing Brown of misrepresenting the organization. Historical and cultural impact. The Da Vinci Code has had a significant impact on popular culture and historical discourse. Its blend of fact and fiction has sparked widespread debate about the historical accuracy of its claims. Many historians and religious scholars have criticized the novel for its fictionalization of historical facts and its portrayal of religious institutions. 1. Cultural reaction. The novel's controversial ideas have elicited a range of reactions from religious and academic communities. Some view it as a provocative and imaginative work that encourages critical thinking and debate, while others see it as an Attack on Christian traditions and historical scholarship. 2. Historical accuracy. Brown's novel weaves historical and artistic references into its narrative, but many of these are speculative or fictionalized. For example, the novel's depiction of the Priory of Sion and its supposed historical significance is largely based on the speculative work of Pierre Plantard, whose claims have been debunked by historians. While Brown's narrative is compelling, it is important for readers to approach it with an understanding of its fictional nature. 3. Influence on literature and media. The success of the Da Vinci Code has influenced other works of fiction and media. The novel's success has led to a resurgence in interest in religious and historical mysteries, as well as the creation of similar thriller novels that explore hidden knowledge and secret societies. Additionally, the novel's adaptation into a film further expanded its reach and impact. Conclusion. Dan Brown's The Da Vinci Code is a provocative and engaging novel that combines historical intrigue with a thrilling narrative. Its exploration of religious themes, the quest for truth, and the use of symbols and codes contribute to its depth and appeal. While the novel has sparked considerable debate and controversy, it has also encouraged readers to engage with historical and religious questions in new ways. Its impact on literature and popular culture is undeniable, making it a significant work in contemporary fiction.